Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Eddie Martinez. I am the founder and owner of Royal Love Co. In this video, we're going to start the new collection called Nature. We're going to start with 15 soap. And then in between every week, I'm going to be posting my new condom and all my new products to show you guys. But today, we're going to start our soap collection called Nature. And the first 7 soap are inspired on the Chakra stone. And today we're going to start with the red Jasper stone. So if you like this kind of video, keep watching, subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up and your comment. And all this collection is going to be available on September 29 at www.royallovecofy.com. And now let's start with the video. Okay guys, we're going to start with the first soap of this Chakra collection, Chakra stone collection. The inspiration for this, the first soap is this stone. It is like a red and I have some like a gray lines. So we're going to, this is the first, this one called the root Chakra stone. The location that you put this stone is in the base of the spine. And this stone have healing quality, security, grounding, self-esteem, stability, strength, physical activity, self-confidence, and self-worth. So I want to put everything, all the description in the screen. That way you guys understand what I'm trying to say. But we start with this first Chakra stone. It's the root chakra, and the fragrance oil that I want to use, it is this one. It's called amber tobacco leaf. It is like unisex fragrance. I really like it. It has some tones of lime, dry apricot, mandarin leaf, warm cardamom. I'm gonna write the name, don't worry about it, and orchid. And then I have some note of Cuban tobacco, amber, and sandalwood. So it is really nice. I really like it. It is a unisex fragrance. That way, the man or the woman can buy this soap. And now we're gonna start mixing our oil and butter with our Lye Water. The color that we're gonna use for the base, we're gonna use spicy tomato from Mica and satin gray pillowcase, also from Mica. This is like a gray, but you're gonna see the color that this turns at the beginning. It's kind of weird, but let's now mix. Let's pour the Lye Water into the oil and butters.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
And now we're gonna separate this in 2 containers. In another container. But this, like I said, this one's gonna be the gray color, this one's gonna be the base. We're gonna just put a little bit. Okay, and now we're gonna add the color. We got this one here. Let me clean this the best that I can. You can see, yes. And remember, I'm mixing this Mica with the oil. That's how you mix it. Only the titanium dioxide you want to mix with water, hot water. And now we're gonna make the gray. The gray that it turns like green at the beginning, but then it will go to gray. I need a higher table because my lower back is hurting a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add the fragrance. It's kind of full. here, a little bit here. Okay. On top of this. It smells amazing. And now we're gonna mix from the light color to the darker color. And then just take the bowl, mix it a little bit by hand. And now okay, now let me mix it up with my spatula. To incorporate everything. And now let's do the mix there. Let's mix the gray one. Believe it or not, it looked more gray than when I did the Spanish version of this video. It looked kind of green. Well, now it looks a little bit green, but I think it's the fragrance. I think. Let me mix it up. Let me mix it up with the spatula. I think the fragrance is doing that, but when it dry, it will turn gray. Okay, now we're gonna pour into the mold.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in.
Let me see if we can make the design now. Yeah, we can. It's a little bit running, but go this way first. Yes, we can get in there. But yeah, I think I used too much gray, which now it looks like green, but when it's dry, it will change to gray. And now I like to do this. Let me clean this. I like to go like this and go. It is a little bit still running. That's okay because we're gonna put the stone on top of it. I wish I can put some popular music in my videos, like Pink, like Britney, you know, but I cannot. And now let's put the stone. Let's spray some rubbing alcohol. Okay. And now let's add the stone. You can see the name is of the stone is red Jasper, I think it is. So we're gonna place one in each soap. Okay. And of course, before you want to use this soap, take the stone out of the soap and practice meditation. Practice, if you do yoga, you do meditation, any practicing is good. That way you feel peace. If you like to walk in the hike or something, I love to do that, and that's why this collection is called nature. I'm gonna write down the name because that's where I got inspired for this collection. So now let's put the last one, so the bigger one, and that's it, guys. So this is it, guys. Now we're gonna wait between 24 to 36 hours to come and cut this beautiful soap and see how it look inside. And yeah, so we're gonna wait 24 to 36 hours and we're gonna come back to cut the soap, see the inside of this beautiful smell amazing. I love it. And yeah, see you guys soon. So we are back after 48 hours. I let this one to get hard for 48 hours. Let's take it from the mold. Now let's separate from here. It smells amazing, guys. I really like it. I like the smell, the fragrance. But let's take it out. It looks like a little bit soft, but sometimes that's normal. So now we're gonna cut the soap. Let's see how it looks in the inside. That's always the fun part. We light it up. Let me go for the napkin because I have to clean this every time. And now let's do the first cut. Let's see how it looks in the inside. And look how beautiful look the stone here, and then look the color. I really like it. It smells amazing. I really love it. It's close to the stone. I will have, if I really want the same color, I will have to add a lot of color, but I think it is close enough. Now let's cut the other one. And look that beautiful. Look the stone. And the smell is amazing, guys. The fragrance really work amazing.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner.
Thank you guys to get to the end of this video, and this is the soap. Look how beautiful this smells amazing. The fragrance did their job. Look at the stone. Remember, before you're gonna do this soap, take the stone out and then enjoy my soap. Look at this. Let me see if I can focus. Right there. It is so amazing. I really love this soap, and the formula is down below. So you want to know all my ingredients. They are natural. 2 of them are organic, and it will benefit you. It will benefit your skin so much, and you will love my soap and all my products. So remember, it's gonna be available September 29th after 8 a.m. at www.royal www.royalloveco5.com. And thank you for support and subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up, your like, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.